Suffixes are tiny word endings that have a big impact. They can change a word's meaning, function, or create entirely new words. Hello there! In this video, we are talking about suffixes, the tiny endings that make a huge difference in how words work. Think of suffixes like building blocks that help us transform words into different forms or meanings. Ready to master them? First things first. What are suffixes? A suffix is a group of letters added to the end of a word to change its meaning or grammatical function. For example, adding full to joy creates joyful, meaning full of joy. Let's explore some common suffixes. Here are a few examples. ly, ly, turns adjectives into adverbs. Quick becomes quickly. ness, ness, turns adjectives into nouns. Happy becomes happiness. Creates comparative forms. Tall becomes taller. Shun, forms nouns from verbs. Act becomes action. Here's how you can use suffixes to boost your English skills. Number 1. Look for patterns. Many suffixes follow predictable rules. Number 2. Practice by creating new words. For example, what happens when you add able to read? You get readable. Number 3. Learn suffixes by category, like suffixes for nouns, verbs, and adjectives. Time for a quick challenge. I'll say a base word and you add a suffix to it. For example, I say kind and you can say kindness. Write your answer in the comment below. Ready? Play. Hope. Friend. Good job! I hope this video helped you better understand about suffixes. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye now!